Speaking of fall, what the hell is he doing? I don't know.
Hey, Rob, you do realize that thing is fake. Thank you.
Today we are watching Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2.
Da, da, da. Yeah, mailbox songs!
I think someone's falling over on a drum set.
He's like, yeah, he's a Muppet. My hair's bleeding. I speak plain. Who wants ice cream? Adam wants ice cream.
Adam.
Whoa!
Oh crap, we killed Rob. Whoa, that's what you looked like in high school.
pretty close, man.
Yes! That was awesome!
Fuck, what? No!
Bye, honey! I'm going to work! Don't miss me too much! Dude, I'm sorry.
I was just thinking about it. You got his hands bit.
Oh, yeah, hey, what was that?
And now you're running from the one guy who can help you. You're so smart, chick. What are we doing?
I don't know, Rob was doing it, I thought I would do it, and then Jacob thought he better join in the crowd.
Oh, well, I better not be left out.
Awkward! No, awkward. Awkward!
We can't have this relationship anymore. I'm always trying to run away. You're always trying to kill me. We can't do this anymore. It's a bad cycle.
This is not gonna work.
They should have called this Texas Chainsaw Massacre too long.
Why do they have an exit sign in their house?
So they know how to get out.
I don't know.
Oh, that's how they end. What?
I have a question.
Wait. I have a couple.
My question starts right after the beginning of the movie. Can someone please explain to me what happened after the guy got done reading the last time on Texas Chainsaw Massacre?
No.
Okay.
Stupidity.
That sucked balls.
That movie was terrible.
Fuck you. You, sir, are an ass.
Yes, that was terrible.
Do not go rent this movie.
No.
Dennis Hopper, it's a good thing.
Not even for Bill Mosley.
It's a good thing that Dennis Hopper is dead because this is shameful.
Unless you want to personally scar or kill your friends.
This is more entertaining.
My head hurts.
This is better than the movie.
These are the credits of the Stupid Movie Show. The names are moving, really watch them go. I don't remember him ever being in the show. Some of these movies really fucking blow. Ah, this movie sucks, wait, oh! This is the end of the Stupid Movie Show. Na 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 na. Stupid Movies! Stupid Movies!
Terrible, terrible person.
Horrible, horrible person.
Nobody likes you.